Okay guys, this is our 8 primers ready for inspection 2025 January, month of January guys. The hive is nice, nurse bee and a lot of pollen. The brood is merging the hive. So we pasohize guys para dili mapakan. So a lot of brood guys, nice brood pattern, and it's ready for the expanding new 10 primers box in the next few months. So this is the new era of 25 EB apiary. It's
dry,
very dry, no nectar flow here in our place, so that's why we put artificial sugar syrup here in order that parang kwan, that's queen guys over there.
Carnelian queen.
This Carnelian Bacchus, or what kind of queen is that? So in the few months this guys is carrying, I hope carrying a lot of nectar soon. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching AB Apiary Beekeepers 25. Bye bye.